Repeat after me. Car. He drove his car to work. Repeat after me. House. They built a new house in the countryside. Repeat after me. Dog. The dog barked loudly at the stranger. Repeat after me. Water. She drank a glass of water after her workout. Repeat after me. Sun. The sun set behind the mountains. Repeat after me. Book. He borrowed a book from the library. Repeat after me. Phone. I lost my phone at the park. Repeat after me. Chair. She sat on the chair by the window. Repeat after me. Table. The table was set for dinner. Repeat after me. School. The kids walked to school together. Repeat after me. Tree. There's a tall tree in the backyard. Repeat after me. Door. Please close the door when you leave. Repeat after me. Window. The window was open, letting in fresh air. Repeat after me. Food. We ordered food from the new restaurant. Repeat after me. Air. The air feels cooler near the sea. Repeat after me. Train. They missed the last train home. Repeat after me. Road. The road was blocked by construction. Repeat after me. Child. A child was playing with a ball in the park. Repeat after me. Friend. She called her best friend to chat. Repeat after me. City. The city lights were beautiful at night. Repeat after me. Ocean. The ocean waves were calming. Repeat after me. Bag. He carried a heavy bag full of books. Repeat after me. Desk. There's a lamp on the desk. Repeat after me. Room. The room was clean and tidy. Repeat after me. Shoes. She bought new shoes for the party. Repeat after me. Rain. The rain poured all night long. Repeat after me. Money. She saved money for her summer vacation. Repeat after me. Clock. The clock struck midnight. Repeat after me. River. They had a picnic by the river. Repeat after me. Music. She listened to music while studying. Repeat after me. Light. Turn off the light when you leave. Repeat after me. Bird. A bird was singing on the tree branch. Repeat after me. Cup. He poured coffee into a cup. Repeat after me. Game. They played a game of chess together. Repeat after me. Boat. The boat sailed across the lake. Repeat after me. Paper. She wrote her notes on the paper. Repeat after me. Pen. He signed the document with a blue pen. Repeat after me. Flower. A red flower bloomed in the garden. Repeat after me. Beach. They spent the day relaxing at the beach. Repeat after me. Sky. The sky turned pink during sunset. Repeat after me. Hot. The tea kettle is hot, be careful. Repeat after me. Key. She couldn't find the key to the door. Repeat after me. Box. The box was filled with old photos. Repeat after me. Garden. The garden was full of blooming flowers. Repeat after me. Fire. The fire crackled in the fireplace. Repeat after me. Mountain. They hiked up the tall mountain. Thanks for watching. Comment on this video about what you would like to learn next.